Hello everyone, and in this video I will walk you through the process of how to increase your credit score on Lloyds Bank. But first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. Your credit score decides how much credit you can get. But if your score is not so good, it could make it harder for your application for things like a mortgage, credit card, personal loan, overdraft or kind finance to get approved. So, how to increase it? Below a list of things you can do to improve your credit score. Don't move home too regularly. The connection between your address, identity and financial activities serves as a safeguard against fraud. Moreover, maintaining the same address over an extended period implies a level of stability in your circumstances. Pay off existing debit balances. Lenders are inclined to extend credit to individuals with lower existing debt, so it's a good idea to keep your debt balances as low as possible. Spend sensibility. Carrying a substantial amount of debt and frequently nearing your credit limits might indicate a reliance on credit. Use a bank account. Enhancing your credit score is possible by consistently making payments through debit card. However, it's crucial to ensure that your account has sufficient funds to cover these payments. Otherwise, instead of improving, your credit score might suffer. Another strategy is to judiciously use and manage an arranged overdraft, as this can contribute positively to your credit score over time. Use a range of credit options. Demonstrating your ability to handle various types of borrowing, ranging from secured lending like a mortgage to unsecured credit cards and loans, is beneficial. Even with a solid income, if you avoid using any form of credit, your credit score might not reflect your financial responsibility. These are just some methods to improve your credit score. However, you can consult the list on this page to get more details. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.